Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today, we're gonna solve the first problem from exercise 1.2 of Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. First problem. Question is 140. So we have to express 140 as a product of its prime factors. So let's go ahead with the solution. So 150 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 5. That is 2 square into 5 into 7. I have derived this by using the LCM of 140. So for this you have to derive the LCM of 140 and now use the factor tree method. So the first factors for 140 is 2 and 70. For 2 is a prime number and for 70 you have to factorize. So you get 2 and 35. 2 is a prime number once again. 35 factorize, you get 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 is once again the prime factors, and hence you get whatever is the prime factors you get is the prime factor of the number. So 2, 7 and 5. So from that you get 2 square into 5 into 7. Next, going ahead with the second problem. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. So question number B is 156. So 156, I'm dividing it into 2 and 78. 78 is a prime number and is a composite number and becomes 2 into 39. 39 is a composite number and becomes 3 into 13. So all the numbers have become prime, and hence the prime factors of 156 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, from which you can derive 2 square into 3 into 13. This can be done also by using the normal LCM method. Since we are asked to solve like this, you have to solve it by using the factor tree method. Going on with the third question. Third question is expressing the 3825 as a product of prime factors. Now, 3825 can be written as 5 into 765, and 765 is a composite number and can be written as 5 into 153. 153 is once again a composite number and can be written as 3 into 51. 51 is also a composite number and can be written as 3 into 17. Hence we have prime factorized it, and the prime factorization of the number 3825 is 5 square into 3 square into 17. Moving on to the fourth question. You get the prime factorization of 5005. So fourth question, 5005 can be written as 5 into 1001. 1001 is a composite number and can be written as 7 into 143. 143 can be written as 11 into 13. Therefore, the prime factors of 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Going on to the fifth problem of this exercise, for this problem, that is finding the prime factors of 7429. So 7429 can be expressed as 17 into 437. 437 is a composite number and can be written as 19 into 23. So 17 into 19 into 23 is the prime factorization of 7429. So we have completed the first problem of this exercise. In my next video, I'll provide the solutions for my remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.